When it comes to email list management, the tools you choose can make or break your marketing strategy. So, in this video, we're diving into a comparison of two popular email marketing platforms, Constant Contact versus Campaign Monitor, to help you figure out which is best for managing your email lists. But stick around because after trying both, I'll give you a surprise alternative that you might want to check out instead. Let's get started. Let's start with Constant Contact. Known for its user-friendly interface, Constant Contact is great for beginners. Setting up an account, importing your contacts, and creating your first campaign is straightforward. It also offers plenty of email templates to choose from, which is perfect if you're looking for something quick and easy. But here's the thing, as simple as it is to use, it lacks the advanced segmentation and personalization features that many experienced marketers crave. If you're running more complex campaigns, you might find it a bit limiting. Next thing to consider is pricing. Constant Contact offers two main plans, Email and Email Plus. The email plan starts at $12 per month, which is competitive, but when you scale up your list, those prices can add up quickly. If you need more features, such as automation and advanced reporting, you'll have to opt for the higher tier plan. But even then, the automation features are basic compared to other tools in the market. Now, let's switch over to Campaign Monitor. This platform gives you a little more flexibility when it comes to managing your email lists and creating campaigns. Campaign Monitor's segmentation tools are far superior to Constant Contact's, allowing you to target your audience with precision. It also excels in email personalization, giving you the ability to tailor your content in a way that feels more individualized. But there's a downside too. While Campaign Monitor's segmentation and personalization are great, the interface isn't as intuitive. It might take some time to get used to, especially if you're new to email marketing. The pricing structure is where Campaign Monitor stands out in its own way. Their pay-as-you-go system is nice if you don't want to commit to a monthly subscription. But if you have a large email list or need unlimited sends, the prices can go up quickly, around $9 for a basic plan and increasing as you add more features. While it's affordable on the surface, be prepared for the hidden costs if you want advanced features. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Both Constant Contact and Campaign Monitor offer automation, but here's the kicker. Constant Contact's automation feels somewhat outdated. It's functional, but not as sophisticated. On the other hand, Campaign Monitor offers more advanced workflows and automation triggers, allowing for more complex customer journeys. This could be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on automation for your marketing. Next up is reporting and analytics. Constant Contact gives you basic insights into open rates, click-through rates, and some other fundamental stats. While this is useful for a basic overview, it's not going to give you the deep dive you need if you're looking to optimize your campaigns. Campaign Monitor, however, provides more detailed analytics and A/B testing, so you can tweak your campaigns and improve your performance over time. Now that we've compared the features, pricing, and performance of both tools, here's the deal. Both Constant Contact and Campaign Monitor are solid platforms, but they come with limitations depending on your business needs. If you're just starting and need something simple, Constant Contact might be the better choice. But if you want more flexibility and powerful segmentation, Campaign Monitor may be worth the extra effort. But here's the twist, I've tried all of them, and after experimenting, I found a better alternative. If you're serious about email list management, there's another tool that outshines both Constant Contact and Campaign Monitor, and it's available for free through the first link in the description. This tool offers not only a better user experience, but also more advanced features, making it the perfect option for email marketers at all levels. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive trial with extra benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, if you're looking for the best way to manage your email list and take your campaigns to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to see how this tool stacks up against others.